You guys always talked about that I need to change my battery, my smoke alarm or fire alarm, whatever the fuck you want to call it. So we're here to do exactly just that and change it. So here we go. And we got pause on this one. Okay. I haven't changed this shit since we were in this house. Hello, lag. Oh, you can hear the beeping. Sometimes, oh my god, I hope I didn't break anything. Alright. New one. Brand new, fresh battery. Alright. Sorry, I'm gonna put the battery in the correct way. Alright, we're good. So if there's any beeping in this video, besides from the beeping at the beginning, any other videos, let me know. Because sometimes it beeps and I don't even freaking hear it. So thank you guys for hearing this. Anyway, I hope it doesn't beep again. Because sometimes I don't even hear it. And yeah, so thank you guys for the support. See you guys next year. Let's start off next year with a bang.